This is a website which will help you out for download, which I've given in the chat box. Fun. Next, Java is done. Once it will be done, you have to install it. Next comes your, after installing, what you'll do, you go to command prompt and check here Java hyphen version. After getting installed, it will show your Java version in your system. Clear?
Yeah.
Next, after installing Java, if you all are having Eclipse, that good. If you don't have Eclipse, go to download, click here, click on this download. If you are having a Windows, you can click with this. Directly you can, after clicking here, it will start downloading. This is for your Java, this is for your Eclipse. Everything, every links I'm just updating it in your chat box. Okay, just go through that. Next, what we need, Eclipse is been done, Java is done. Next is
WebDriver.
WebDriver. That means with these web drivers are always available in our. See, what happens is, actually how it works. I'll show you this WebDriver. Just a minute. Why WebDriver works, how it works, I'll show you. For example, this is your IDE. Clear? Okay, what do you mean by IDE?
Integration development environment.
That means we can see, in simple word, you can say it's a notepad where we'll be writing our scripts. Clear? That means these scripts will be executed here. Okay, and the scripts will be like, we are using an automation tool, and this automation tool, for example, will be using as Selenium. This Selenium is of the owner of this. Selenium is what works. Clear? And for example, we are using some browsers called as or Edge, anything. Okay, whose product is Chrome? Whose product is Chrome?
Google. Okay, whose product is Edge?
Microsoft.
Correct. It is of then both the owner is same. No, how this thought works will work in Microsoft, for which this both of them have collaboratively done some drivers. That means this, what this driver will do, this driver will carry the data from here and execute here, and after executing it will give the response. Correct? The job of the driver is that. That's why we'll be using different drivers. That is your Edge driver, MS Edge driver, Chrome driver, Safari. These are some of the drivers you will be using. And as this both have, they have made, and this is available in your official website of Selenium, that is selenium.dev/downloads. And before downloading all those things, we should have Chrome is and all those things browser in my system, and you will just have that. Clear? Next, we go to download WebDriver first. Click on this download, the official website. Selenium. Once it is done, you have to go to this previous release. Okay, click on this previous release. We are having version, see, as of I said yesterday, WebDriver is available from 2 to 4 version. Selenium 2.42, see, the latest version is 4.28. Clear? But I'll tell you how to use this Selenium version 3. Then I'll tell you about version 4. That means version 3, you should have some idea also. Click on the latest version of version 3, that is 3.141.59, and go to Selenium server standalone 3.141.59 jar file and click here. It will automatically get downloaded, and before that you have to install Java, or else it will be seem like a compressed folder. It will not work. Clear?
Sir, which file we need to download from here?
Yeah, these are the things which you need to download. See, what I am doing today is, what are the softwares you are required. First I am downloading it, then I'll tell you how to integrate with the integrate with your workspace so that you can work with that. First I'll tell you
Okay.
that these are the links which I have said, shared. That's why, see, these are the links which I have said. This is for you, how to download Java. If you have not downloaded it, just you have to download this. After that, you have to download Eclipse, which is mandatory. We'll be using it as IDE. Then you'll go to this website where you can find all those things, our WebDriver and our WebDriver and different driver of different browsers, and where you will find, I'll show you now. Clear? Then I'll show you, tell you about the integration part. Okay.
Yeah, I was asking which of the file from these 6 links which should be download, or all of them?
Thing is needed from this 6 link. No, one, two, three. Only three.
Which ones? That's what I'm asking. Which ones?
See, this one is for Java. If you have Java, you don't need to download. Correct?
Okay. So Selenium server and Selenium server standalone, right?
No, we don't need standalone. What I want to say is, listen, Namrata, what thing is that, for as of I should just a minute. I'll get it clarified right now only. We need, as of I said you on that day, we need a language to write the code.
Yeah, that I understood that I need
But
Java
why
for
to download with
everything,
the
but you
standalone?
showed
Why to download with the standalone? No, not need.
that's what I was asking, like which link should we download or
You
all
come,
of them?
no,
Is
no,
it
not
required which link is needed for
for this
WebDriver?
automation. You need to come to this official website of Selenium. Inside this, go to previous release, click on this release. From this release, we need only two jar files, that is version 3 and version 4. That means latest version of version 3 is 3.141.59. Clear? Here
Mm-hmm.
it will be same like this. From this only you have to download this one.
Yeah.
Selenium server standalone 3.141.59 jar. This jar file only you have to download. You don't need all those things. You just click here, it will automatically get downloaded like this. But before downloading this, you have to install Java in your system, or else it will be same as a compressed format. Now clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you have to go for the latest version of version 4, which is Selenium 4.28, or you can also go for Selenium version 4.27. Here you can find Selenium server 4.27.0.jar. Why I am seeing all those things is, see, we don't need these zip files. .jar, because this is Java archive which will be using with respect with Java. Clear? And
Mm-hmm.
these are the automation tool only. Then we have to click here and it will automatically get downloaded.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. After this, we need, as of I said, we need to download a like a browser drivers. You can see here browser option is there.
Mm-hmm.
Click on this browser. As of I shared, Selenium does not readily support any of the browser. It supports only these are the browsers which it is getting support. That is your Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, Chrome, and Edge. Only these are the browsers which you can use. Apart from these browsers, you cannot use any other browsers. Clear? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What I'll be using, I'm having Chrome here. I'm having Edge in my system. I'm having Edge in my system. These are the two browsers which I'll be using. If you want to use, you can use other also, which is mentioned here. Apart from this, don't use. And this is moreover absolute. Don't use this Internet Explorer. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
For Chrome and Edge, the same process for every other also. I'll show you with Chrome, and you all have to do with the Edge part. See how to download the driver of Chrome. You have to go to this browser section. Inside this browser section, you have to go to this Chrome, click
Mm-hmm.
on documentation. Everyone side by side try to note down all those things, because you will everything you can't remember. Okay. Click on this documentation. Before that, you have to know this version of Chrome. Go to this right side triple dot, then go to help, then go to about Chrome. If it is updated, it's good. If it is not updated, click on update Chrome. Once it is updated, click on relaunch. About Chrome. It is version is 1.32.06834 something it is there. Okay. What you have to do, you can see here older releases can be found here. Click on this downloads. Okay. What is the version it is present? 114, but our version is
130.
132. That means what you will, it is written here, you are like if you are using Chrome version 115 per new, you have to click on this dashboard. Click on this dashboard, you can find the stable version 132.0.6834. See, the same thing is there or not?
Yeah.
It is 84 is there, like it is 83, around that same thing. Click on this stable. Don't get confused here. We don't need Chrome. What we need Chrome driver.
Driver.
It is written as Chrome driver, and we need for Windows or Mac. If you all anyone wants to use Mac, also can you go for this Mac. It is written, and you have to copy this URL, copy, paste, and automatically it will get downloaded. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Still then I'm giving this link. Maybe this will work or not, I don't know. You have to follow this process.
Have you downloaded the Java version as well?
Yeah. See, my Java version is there. That's why I have given you how to download that. We need Java version more than 17.
Okay.
Already Java is present in my system. That's why like I have not downloaded. I have given URL here how to download. This is the URL you can find.
Okay. We have to download the greater version of Java 17.
No, not the latest, but you need more than 17. If you are having
Yeah.
JDK 17, it's good. More than 17 we need.
Uh,
17 is okay, right? Already downloaded 17.
so hello, sir. I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, like yesterday, I have downloaded the Chrome version, like starting with 132 and ended with 184.
Okay.
Then I run a program in Eclipse, and the Eclipse says that in the red message, I got the red message from the Eclipse, and it
I'm
says
not
the version
able
of.
to.
Sir, yesterday, like I have downloaded the Chrome version,
Okay.
which is starting with 132 and ending with .84. And
Okay.
like when I run the program on the Eclipse,
Okay.
I got a message in red, and it says that that your driver is like incompatible for the Eclipse.
Fine.
So I
See,
did the same process.
two things I'll tell you. I have not told how to write the program. I have not told how to integrate it. If you're doing it, you might have done something wrong. How I can get to know from that? Now, just the things what I am going to say is what are the softwares required in your systems to write the automation script. These are the software which you need to download. Again, now only I'll continue with the integration part. If something is missing, it will throw error. If something is not missing, it will not throw error. Clear?
Okay, sir, got you.
I'll tell you, I'm not going to skip any concepts. Everything in a slow mode. Why I'm going is everyone know, and also I'm going to clarify one thing to all guys. I am not teaching Java like all the concepts I am not teaching here right now from the starting, but going forward with the respective topics of the automation, if any Java concept because Java there, I'll be teaching the Java concepts there also. What is the basic concept? What is the required of that? I'll tell, then I'll go to the automation part. Don't worry for that.
Okay.
Clear?
So for now, we downloaded Java version, and then the Selenium 2 jar files,
Yes.
and then the Chrome browser jar file,
Yes.
browser driver. Sorry.
Browser driver, and you also have to download the browser if it is not present in your system.
Yes.
Done. Once all
Yes.
these things are being done, you
Mm.
have to install with Eclipse. How to install
Okay.
with the Eclipse also I'll show you. See here. If you are having Eclipse, it will see, like you can see like this. Okay. Right click, run as administrator. Yes. It will take some time, and for Eclipse, net is mandatory, and during this process, net is mandatory. Use net properly, because for automation it is going to take more net it will take. Okay, after doing right click and run as administrator, you can find like this. It is written Eclipse ID for enterprises Java and web developers. Clear?
Okay.
Click on this, directly click on install, next, install it. Clear?
Okay.
Already I have installed, because that's I'm not installing. In your system, you have to install it like this.
Okay. We can
Clear?
install any of the version.
No, you have to install this one only.
Okay.
Because why, I'll tell you, you'll get to know afterwards. Because if you want to write any of the HTML page, you cannot write with all those. It will be easy for you to write with this. You can write with this also, but it will be easy for you to write with this. Click on this and install. Okay,
Okay.
great. Once it is done, JDK also, just right click, run as administrator, click on yes. Just next .exe file, it is like that. Oh, it is already present. That's why it is not saying. Just next, it will be done. Okay.
Okay.
That
We
means,
have to attach the JDK version here.
sorry.
No, we have to select the JDK version while installing the Eclipse.
No, not needed. It will take by default.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
It will take by default.
Okay.
Okay. That means JDK will be installed. Eclipse is done. Browser you have to download. Driver we have downloaded. Everything is done now.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll show you how to integrate Selenium jar file with the Java project. Fine.
Yes.
Before that, we will know something. Okay. What is workspace? What is your Java project? What is package? Clear? We'll get to know about all those things. Then we'll go to the integration part. Can anyone say what is this? What do you mean by workspace?
In which we will store all our projects,
Yes.
packages, classes.
Here we will store all our
Projects.
projects. Clear?
Yes.
Because many people get, like, if some of the interviews say create a workspace and create your own project, they get panicked. Okay, what is this workspace? Okay, this workspace is nothing. It's a place where you're going to store all the projects. Clear? And what is this? This is our project. That means, can we have multiple projects inside one workspace?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Good. And inside this project, we will have different
packages.
packages. Okay, what is this packages is all about? It's like a small room inside your house. If we consider this workspace as your clear,
Yes.
it's an entire street or colony, anything we can say. Everything is there. This project is your house. This project is your house, and inside this house we will have different rooms or not. Those are your packages, and inside these packages we can keep different
Classes.
classes. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Clear up to this? These are the small concepts of Javas which I'll be using here, and I'll before letting you inside that, I'll tell you the basic concepts, then I'll go to the automation part. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, these are the classes which will be present. In the same structure, we have to create our own workspace where we will be learning or where we will be doing our projects. And we have to create our own project. We have to create our own packages. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Okay. See, what I'll be doing is I'll create a new workspace. We'll name it as something as online. And this is your, what is this? This is our
Workspace.
workspace. After that, you have to open your Eclipse. Double click on the Eclipse. After getting installed, it will be seem like this. Click on this browse.
ಒಂದು ದೋಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಐತ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಂ ನಾವೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಐತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಐತಿ
You can find here your workspace. Select. This is the path of this workspace or not.
Yes.
Then click on launch.
It is
Clear
not
up.
required that all the jar files should be maintained in the workspace, right?
Sorry.
We no need to maintain all our jar files in the workspace, right? Jar files can be maintained in other folder as well.
We see jar file. I'll tell you, like I'll go
Okay.
with structure what I am saying. See, if you are learning from somewhere, it's good, but don't get confused.
Mm.
My point is that if you're learning from somewhere, it's good, but go with the flow, then only you can get to know. You can keep outside, you can keep inside the project. What is the drawback of keeping outside? What is the advantage of keeping here? Everything I'll say.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is created, and you can see here create a Maven project, KF Java project, create a, these are some of the things you can find. Like you can go here and click, or directly from here also you can click, and here also it is there, create a project. We'll click on create a project. What projects we are going to create? We're going to create our Java project. Click on this and click on next. Okay. Project name as automation. Then click on finish. You can find here. It is created with like a project as automation, and it is written as automation and J. That means it's a Java project in the name of automation we have created. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay. Just a minute.
मिनट में आ रहा है.
Okay. Once it is done, delete this module.info.java. Clear? Going forward, you'll get to know why I'll be saying is that don't use this module.info.java. It may change your entire source code of the application. So delete this. Done. Next, go to the project, right click, new folder. Okay, we need two things. One is our automation tool, which will be keeping inside this library folder or jar folder, anything we can make it. Again, go to new, make another folder as driver. Got my point?
Yes.
Inside this library folder, we will keep our automation tool. Inside this driver folder, we'll be keeping our the driver which we have downloaded. Okay, we have downloaded with this two automation tool we have downloaded. Version 3 and version 4, we have downloaded both the things, no?
Mhm.
Just take it and keep it here. Don't change any name from here. Okay, like if you're going to download it, don't change anything in that. It may not work. Next, what we need, this driver. Unzip this outside only. Here it is written, Chrome driver. Copy. And the same process, these two are already downloaded. The same process you have to like download for Edge and Firefox, and you have to paste it here. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Yeah.
This thing we have to do for all the projects, or it is required for only one first project?
See, not for all. No, it is required for all the projects. Okay, like my housework is different, your housework is different. Fine. That
Okay.
means for the first time, if you're creating a project, you have to integrate all those things for once. Once
Okay.
it is done in the entire project, you can use that.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is specific to a project.
This is specific to a project.
Okay.
That means before like I'm like doing any automation code or script or anything, we need that automation tool. This is the process which we have to like, it's a workspace. It's a place where we will be writing the codes. Here we have to integrate Java. Here we have to integrate our automation like automation tool. Then only we can use it. Okay, the previously I have already installed with Java. Now I'm doing the process of installation of our automation tool. Okay.
Yeah.
So can it be done like this driver and the web server? It can
Yeah.
be in the workspace, and all the project whatever we make can share these two things, because it will be common across the projects we make, right?
No, for every projects we have to do the same process.
Okay.
You can keep this this one. You don't have to
Mm-hmm.
make a folder in every project. You can keep outside or anywhere, and you can give the path of that of adding. How I'll add here, like you can use this for common, but for the every project you have to follow the same process.
So we can, like, as you said, we can give this path. So if I keep it somewhere else, and I can give
I'll
the
show you.
path
I'll
in
show
some
you.
of the project properties.
Yeah, I'll show you that. See, go to this build path, like go
Yeah.
to this project. Till now, only I have done copy paste operation. I have not
Correct.
integrated with this project. Okay. Only
Mm-hmm.
Java is integrated because Eclipse is by default is taking the JRE file. That's why
Mm-hmm.
it has already taken. Go to this
Mm-hmm.
project, go to this build path, click on configure build path, then click on this library.
Libraries.
As
Yeah.
you can see, it is written with Java SC 22, but I am using which version?
23.
Yeah, I am using 23. What I'll be doing first, I'll change with this. Next, this and always do remember one thing, to come here, we have to go to this project, right click, go to this build path, click on configure build path, then click on libraries tab. And inside this libraries tab, you can find two things. One is your module path, one is your class path. Under this module path, you have to keep your JDK or JRE file, and under this class path, you have to keep your automation tool or anything. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And as as you are saying, no, we can use it for different projects. The two things I'll show you. Okay, you might get where it is present, you might not get. That's why it is not recommended. I'm recommending like this. Also, you can use that. You have to use add external jars. Okay, you have to click on this class path, click on add external jars. Inside this, you can find this too. Clear?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You can add directly from here, or else if somewhere it is there in your desktop. For example, you have kept somewhere like Selenium grid, it is written, I kept here. So
Uh-huh.
this path, if I'm going to give, it will be used in the end. Like for every project, I have to specify this path. It can be done.
Correct. Correct.
Got my point? But
Yeah, yeah.
going forward, what I'll be doing, I'll be not using these other things also. I'll tell you.
Mm.
Okay. But for the timing, follow this process, which will be easy for you.
Okay.
Okay. And at a time, as this is an automation tool, that means what my concern is, at a time, how many, like if you're going to ride a bike or car, at a time, how many bike or car you can ride? Only one.
Mm-hmm.
If you're using version 3, you cannot use version 4. If you're using version 4, you cannot use version 3. So don't integrate both the things. Integrate only one. If you want to use version 4, you have to remove version 3, then integrate version 4. If you want to use version 3, remove version 4, then integrate version 3. Clear?
Okay, so at a time only we should be keeping only one file, right?
one
in
automation
its
jar file.
folder.
Yeah, because this is like a automation tool. Okay, the
Yeah.
at a time only we can use one thing only.
Okay.
Clear? Why I
Got
have
it.
downloaded both the things? We'll be using with the latest version, that is version 4. But some of the concepts it is there, why I'll tell you, like you'll get an idea how it works. Okay. Because some
Okay.
of the changes are there from version 3 to version 4. You'll get an idea what are the changes from version 3 to version 4 has been done. Okay, like we can add like this and click on this apply, or else what we can do, directly go to this library, click on this jar file, right click, build path, add to build path. See, you can see
Okay.
refers library like this, it will come here, it
Uh-huh.
will come like the certificate. But do remember always one thing, don't install both the things, you will get an error. Always you will be using either version 3 or version 4, any of the one tool. But if you're going to do with this process, after adding, just cross check once, go to the build path, library, cross check once it is present under class path, and this Java file is present under your module
Module.
path. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
What you will recommend, like, to use the Selenium fourth version or third version?
See, fourth version is the latest version. I'll be recommending that. But if someone is going to ask you for the version 3 also, no, you have to answer. So only some changes is there. So that minor changes I'll tell you, because some of the extra things which has come in version 4, which is more flexible for us, which is
Okay.
not present in version 3. That is the updated one.
And the other thing, you went to build path and then the libraries, right? Can we attach the driver there or only the jar files?
Only we have to paste the jar file, not the driver. Driver
Oh,
work is something different. I'll show you.
okay.
Till now, only this is the thing which you have to make it. Driver job is to carry the data from here and paste it in a respective browser. That means we have to specify the path. We don't need to install it anywhere.
Okay.
Clear up to this? Any doubt regarding the installation part? See guys, ask me, because from tomorrow onwards, I'll be starting the programs.
Good morning.
Yeah, good
So,
morning.
actually, due to some internal issue, I couldn't able to join within the time. So,
Okay.
can you just recollect all the steps overview? Otherwise, can you share me this configuration recording in the WhatsApp group such
Yeah,
that I
yeah.
can?
Gopal will send you the recording. You can talk with the Gopal.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Do we have a WhatsApp group?
You can find here already. He has mentioned again. Also, I'm giving it. Again, I have texted it. Okay, you all go to this LinkedIn profile, Instagram profile, Facebook profile. Everywhere you try to follow the application, follow the content over there, and try to refer your friends also to follow. It will be good for them also, and anyone can join these classes, and go to this WhatsApp group and join, so you can get update from there also. Everything is there.
Fine.
Fine. And the
Fine.
classes I'll be taking from
So is it
6
the free course or only the demo session is free?
I don't know about all those things, because you have to talk this with Gopal, because I'm unaware about that.
Okay.
uh,
About the payment
Gopal,
parts and all these things, I don't know. Actually, he is dealing. I'm just here to take the classes. I'm not concerned about that also.
Understood.
Sorry.
Actually, Gopal is also there in the WhatsApp group.
Ha. Gopal is there in the WhatsApp group.
Thank you.
Any doubts? Any more doubts? Any curious one for this installation part? See, guys, I'll help you out with all. I'll be during this session. I'll be telling all the basic concepts of Java. I'll be telling you how to write the automation script. I don't know anyone knows or not, anyone don't know about this automation or not, but I'm here to guide you. I'm here to help you out how it will work, in which way. If you're going to write the code, it will be easy for you. Everything I'll be assisting. If you are learning from somewhere, it is good, you'll get a brush up here, but try to follow the process, for which you will not get any exception. If you're getting any exception, also try to know about the exceptions, why it is, because from our failure only we can learn. So try to know about the exceptions. Ask me questions if you're any having doubts, get it clarified, and I'll be helping out within this session. Okay?
Hello.
Yeah,
Can I know like what is the subject you covered in the yesterday session, because I missed just like what is the session yesterday is covered?
just the basic parts. Just the basic parts.
Basic part of like Selenium grade, like that concept.
Not going to teach Selenium grid.
Mhm.
As for this,
Introduction part.
just I'll show you. What is automation? Advantage of automation, drawbacks.
Yeah,
What is,
that things we covered in the first class.
yeah, I'm saying that this I have told entire thing, how this IDE works, why we
Mhm.
are not using IDE, how RC works, why we are
Mhm.
not using this RC WebDriver Selenium Grid, and what are the required software. After this only I have said. Today I
Okay.
have covered what are the shortcut keys of Eclipse. And for this required, in this required software, we have to download and install. That process we have completed today. From tomorrow onwards, I'll be starting with the programming part. That's why I'm asking if anyone is having any doubts, get it clarified, because you all have to install it by tomorrow. I'll be as we are going to start with the automation side by side. Every day you have to practice. See, very frankly, I'll be saying with this automation part, who don't know about this automation, each and every day, what are the things I'll be teaching, or if any assignment I'm going to give, go through that, try to complete all the things. Then after some days, you'll get a clarity, okay, what you are going to do and why you are going to write the codes. You'll get an idea, and you'll feel good that you can write codes. If you're not going to practice, you will get bored. Then after some days, you will not come to class, and will, okay, why you are wasting time? That means from the starting only you'll be wasting your time. So try to practice this, because
Okay.
it's lots of practice. While learning in the class, you'll get to know, okay, it is done, but while doing, you will get face issues. Many issues will come. Clear?
Yeah,
Can you
yeah.
can you post that course content document in the chat?
Already I have mailed to everyone, no?
So we have
No,
joined a new.
we didn't receive any mail. Yesterday also I requested you to send the list of topics related to
Your
the
mail
Java.
ID is here. You can see your mail ID.
Yeah, yeah, it is there in
I have
100 sign up.
already. I have given your mail. Just a minute.
I didn't got any mail.
ಅವಕಾಶ ಹಂಗದು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ
100
ಊಟ ಐತಿ
100 sign up.
ಸಾಕು ಹೋಗು.
Just forward
Yeah,
that.
Malli is there, no? Malli is there, no?
Yeah.
But I didn't receive any mail.
This is your mail ID, no?
Yes, yes.
Already I have given. Here I have given what are the concepts of Java. Like before coming, at least go through some of the videos or have some idea. I'll be also teaching during the course. I'll be teaching with these concepts, and I'll just clarify you. I'll go with this entire syllabus.
Can you just forward that? I just pinged my email ID in the chat.
Yeah, sure.
ಚಟ್ನಿ ಅಷ್ಟ
Any doubt?
ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಿರಾನಂದನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೊಳ ಹೆಸರು
Sir, may I know your name, please, sir?
What do you know with my name? My name is Bikram.
Thank you so much. Sir, I'm requesting you once again, please share the recordings because tomorrow we need to be ready for attend the class, right? So I will go through the recording and make it
You
configuration
join
in
the
my local.
WhatsApp group. Okay, Gopal is having the videos. I am not recording any of the classes. See, I'll tell you very frankly, I'm not recording any of the classes. Okay. You join this WhatsApp group, you just ping over there, then he will assist you what to do. Clear?
Guys, I will send you all the recordings. I will upload in YouTube and I will post it on channels. Please follow all the channels, guys. So
Thank you
any
so much.
updates
Thank you so much.
we will update. So it will take just 2 minutes or like that. Please follow all the channels now itself
Sure, sure. Thank you so much.
and join the WhatsApp group as well. We keep on posted.
Clear?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತಂದೆ ಬಸ್
Okay, bye bye, guys.
Bye.